Hi and welcome back to the Be Better Bit by Bit podcast. I'm your host Nishit Goyal and the creator of this unique self-transformation platform called Be Better Bit by Bit. The platform's philosophy, small and consistent improvements. Friends, in the last episode, I concluded the series on the keystone habit of journaling. For the next few episodes, I will be talking about morning routine. I'm going to speak about a lot of aspects around it, my experiences with morning routine, and why I feel that setting up a morning routine not only helps us create a productive day but also a productive and happy life. First of all, let me clear the biggest myth around the morning routine. No, you need not be an early riser to set up a morning routine. But having said that, if you are an early riser, that's a great advantage because then you have cleared a significant hurdle to achieve and create a fantastic morning routine for yourself. By definition, the first hour or a couple of hours maybe after you wake up forms your morning routine. It's as simple as that. How are you spending and what are you doing in these hours is your morning routine, and there is nothing more complicated about it. In my upcoming first book, which is titled Be Better Bit by Bit, I have covered a separate chapter on the morning routine. My morning routine is my favorite part of the day. It not only gives me immense internal satisfaction, a sense of achievement, but also creates tiny successes for me, and I feel it sets the platform for a life full of happiness and productivity. So let us start with the why of the morning routine. Friends, I love and like to answer the why of each element I touch. It helps me clear my mind and clear the purpose of any new exercise or habit. So, why do you need a morning routine? Because once you have a morning routine, it sets the upcoming day. When you set up your day with success and a feeling of achievement, you set up the day for more significant achievements, and you set up a life full of meaning, purpose and productivity. That's what a morning routine does to you. So let me ask you, how does the first hour of your day look like? The first hour means the hour just after you wake up. Mainly there will be a few minutes for getting ready, which is fine. But then what? Newspaper, news, emails, Facebook, Instagram, searching for essential things to take with you to the office, arranging your clothes, eating your breakfast in a hurry. If this is how it looks currently, it's time to learn the morning routine. Friends, if you are filling up the first hour of your day with all the attention-seeking platforms and activities, then how do you ensure that the rest of the day will not pull your attention towards it? A successful day happens when you own and manage your attention. Your attention is your currency. Spend it wisely. Let's ponder upon the why before moving on the hows and the whats of the morning routine. I am clear that once you are clear of the why, you are clear of the benefits, you are clear of the purpose, then the change, the shift, the transition becomes easy. Because then your mind doesn't block you, it helps you. The Chimp Paradox, it's a book by Dr. Steve Peters, is one of my favorite books. And time and again I go back to the thought which he shares that there is a small chimp sitting inside my brain. This chimp is emotional, he is adamant, he is unruly. He is the one who is always telling me to go back to my normal routine, not try new things, because he loves comfort zone. But if I know how to manage this chimp's expectations, he is going to help me. He is an integral part of my brain after all. And there are all chances that if I understand the way this chimp behaves and I decide to change my style, he is going to coordinate in what I wish to achieve. While agreeing with the chimp to set up a morning routine, be evident that only small progress work with this chimp. No other strategy will work. If there is someone who tells you that if you join a 5-day program or a 7-day program or a 1-day quick program and your life will turn around, I am sure that's not going to happen. I am a marathoner, so I understand the importance of taking one step at a time. As a runner, we have to be very clear in our mind that long distance races are covered by breaking down the journey. It happens in tranches. Why? Because that's how it becomes easier for us to manage the chimp. If I keep reminding my chimp that there are 42 kilometers to be covered in the next 4 or 5 or 6 hours, the chimp inside my brain, will sit down and will not let me move. Instead, I tell him to support me for the next couple of kilometers. That calms him down. He supports me. Then, after those initial kilometers, we make another agreement for another few kilometers. Yes, he makes some noise. But now, with a few kilometers to show him, the discussion invariably tilts towards the positive side. A few more kilometers and we both keep making agreements. If he is not listening, he becomes unruly, he becomes adamant, okay? I give him some water, some electrolyte maybe, or I take a break. I look around and tell him to enjoy the beautiful morning, and that's how long journeys become sustainable and prosperous. Now, turning back to the morning routine. Friends, it's not a 100-meter sprint. No ways. Be aware of this fact. If anyone is making you feel that converting your unproductive mornings into a super productive morning is a 7-day or a 10-day or a 1-month journey, sorry my friends, it's not going to happen that ways. Setting up morning routine is a marathon. It will take time, it will take preparation. But once you understand that by breaking down the habit into small chunks, and when you follow the philosophy of be better bit by bit, you will realize that this is the best option you have to find success. That's the game changer we are looking for. Friends, we have just started with this series on morning routine. Keep listening, because I promise you, by using the simple philosophy of be better bit by bit, I'm going to help you turn around your mornings slowly but surely. No more complaints, no more negativity, just growth and progress. And this promise is coming from a person who is following the 5 a.m. habit since past 5-6 years. I am a marathoner, I am an avid reader. That's how I fill my morning routine. I have almost read like 75 books already this year. I am a podcaster, I am a YouTuber, I am a blogger, an upcoming author, and a life personal transformation coach. All of this along with a full-time job as a chartered accountant with one of the largest private banks in India, and also while fulfilling my duties as a loving husband and a father. So, if a morning routine allows me to do all of this, it will enable you to make the required shifts in your lifestyle. A morning routine adds lots of time in your life, and I am going to share all those practical tips and advice around morning routines, and will share my personal experiences and methods to turn around your mornings. So join me in the next episode of Be Better Bit by Bit. I release the episodes every Friday or Saturday, so keep listening. The podcast is available on Spotify, JioSaavn, Google Podcast, Spreaker, and various other streaming platforms. You can also follow the Be Better Bit by Bit self-transformation platform on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and YouTube, where you can view and experience a lot of exciting stuff on self-development and the unique challenges and methods we use to bring small and tiny improvements in your life, because we believe that small and consistent improvements are permanent improvements. So, till next time, bye bye.